And On Message essentially was their attempt at taking all of these branding assets that they capture when they're doing these interviews and distillation to try and figure out what's the brand unlock, and putting them into a software format that allows you to create all of your content in one spot and make sure it's always on brand. Like it goes through all the filters, all that, and all that stuff. They'd been working with a development agency for about 16 months and had barely gotten to a point where they had a workable prototype. And then just for fun, I was like, I wonder if I can vibe code this. I wonder if I can build this whole thing inside of Lovable. So I went in and I took screenshots of everything, every single page that they had built out. And then I had one of their employees who had been the product manager, the software, and we talked through all the functionality and then dropped that into Lovable. And then they, within about a week, had a working prototype that they could actually demo to clients and show what was working. And then I trained that employee on how to take it and run from there. And they've built out like a full-on AI-powered software. Essentially, like it'll scrape your website, it'll scrape all your assets and everything, and autofill all the stuff. And then they've integrated AI into it so that if they need to create a blog post or they create any content, it all runs through the correct branding filters and creates things that are awesome, right? Like the feedback I've gotten from clients is, I wouldn't change a single word of that, or that's exactly how I would write that, or things along those lines, right? And this was all just done in Lovable, right? And at the time, Lovable was the best vibe coder.